And we're up to simultaneous equations, okay? Now there's two methods to solve simultaneous equations. There's the elimination method and the substitution method. Now I'm going to use the substitution method for this example, even though Grove, I think she does elimination, okay? So here's the clue. If you look at your two equations and you notice that one of them has the pronumeral all by itself, that's usually a good clue that you can use substitution. I'll show you what I mean. So if you look at 2a minus b equals minus 6, that just becomes, I'll bring the b over, and that becomes 2a plus 6. Okay, so I've just rewritten that with the b being positive. So what that means is b equals 2a plus 6. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to substitute this value in for b in the first equation. So I'm going to substitute that right in there. Okay, so I'm going to call this equation 1. This is equation 1. And I'm going to call this equation 2. Okay, the way I labelled them is not really good. Okay, I'll just fix that up. Happy with the way I labelled them. Okay, so I'm going to go like this. Here we go. Equation 1. 3a plus 2b equals 5. That's equation 1. And 2a minus b equals minus 6. That's equation 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange 2. So rearrange 2. And that becomes b equals 2a plus 6. Okay, then I'm going to sub 2 into 1. Okay, so that becomes, so what I'm doing is I'm going to put 2a plus 6 in there for b. So that becomes 3a plus 2 outside of 2a plus 6 equals 5. That becomes 3a plus 4a plus 12 equals 5. So I get 7a equals minus 7, so a equals minus 1. Now, you're not finished yet. You still have to put a equals minus 1 back into one of the original equations, okay, to get the value for b. So I think it's easier to put in equation 2. So sub a equals minus 1 into equation 2. So I get 2a minus b equals minus 6. So I get minus 2 minus b equals minus 6. So I get minus b equals minus 4. So b equals 4. So the solutions are 4, a equals minus 1 and b equals 4 are the two solutions to this simultaneous equation. Now the bell's gone, I'll have to stop and I'll do the next one in a minute.